Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to import the data from Oracle 11g to Oracle 18c XE. In last video I have shown you that how to export an entire schema. So I have here two different files, two DMP files which I have exported from my Oracle 11g XE version, right? So this contains everything, all the functions, procedure, tables and data and everything. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to show you that how to import this using your SQL developer into your Oracle 18c, right? So ultimately we have a pluggable database. So let's start now. Let me start with the SQL developer. I have already imported one schema, so it might be possible that it's shown some data. Oh yes, connection is already there, but I'm gonna disconnect it, remove the connection. I'll show you from the scratch, right? So ultimately we required one connection over here, so I'm expecting you do not have anything over here. Okay, so consider first we need to have a sysdb, right? So let me just click here and you can have your DB account, name it anything, and it would be sys, and your password role would be sysdba. Here if you are utilizing that Apex or Oracle 18c XE, then instead of this SID we are going to have now XE PDB1, right? So that is pluggable database. Let me just test it. If you are getting a success message over here, then you can press this connect. As soon as you press connect, you will be having this over here. So now same as that, I have imported my Oratrix schema, right, which I have created. So now I want to have all of this data which has been in this file. Okay, any one of file we are going to use. Let's say for example we will be using this dump oratrix.dmp file, and we want that data to be imported into this Oratrix, right? So to do that, we need to give certain rights to our Oratrix schema. So now connect this one. Let me connect. Okay, and here we need to grant DBA to Oratrix. Let me just run this one. Yes, grant succeeded. So here we need to create one directory also. Okay, so now we need to create one directory which pointing to here, because we want to import this particular thing. So let us write create directory, and directory name would be like ora_demo, and as, so you need to provide the path where you have saved your DMP file. So currently I have stored that at C drive, database and dump.txt, right? So let me just try to run. Yes, the directory has been created. Let us give the rights, that is grant read write on directory, that is ora_demo, and it will be given to Oratrix. Let me try to run this. Yes, grant succeeded. So now we can move further. So now we can start importing our data. For that, just click on this view and DBA. So this will be available over here. Now click on this plus sign and try to connect to your Oratrix, whatever the schema is in which you want to import your data. Just click on OK. Let me punch the password. Yes, we are connected now. So just click on this plus sign, data pump, right click, then data pump import, because we want to import the data. Yes, now we want to have a schema, and the current directory that which we have created is where it is, Oratrix demo. Yes, this one. And here we need to give the data DMP file name, which is here. just click on next, and we need to wait for some time while this will be checked the available schema into the existing DMP file. So it will list all the schemas which you have exported. So see, so these are the schemas which I have already exported into the my DMP file. So let's say we have one Oratrix and bring it here, just click on next. So here you need to provide the source. So source would be Oratrix again, and because we want to import that, yes, and destination would be Oratrix only. One more important thing is you need to remap your table space. Now consider, what is it? You have multiple schema over here, so ultimately you have schema associated with that. So here it's shown all the schemas, all the source table space which has been there in your existing DMP file. So if we consider that I have found out that this one, I think this one is my Oratrix folder, and here you need to provide your current created path, right? So let's see how to find out that. For that we need to go to the C drive, and the path where you have installed your Oracle 18c XC, go to this Oradata XC and PDB. Okay, so this one is my DMP file or DMP file of DBF file of my Oratrix demo. So I'll be writing that at this position. Let me click on next. Action if table exists, I'll be replacing, it will be compatible, next. And if you want to execute it immediately, then you can just click next and just click on finish. Then all the data will be imported easily, right? So I have already imported that, so I'm not going to execute this one. So you can execute this steps to import all the data from Oracle 11g XC to your current version Oracle 18c XC, right? So that you can import multiple items at the same time. You can also configure multiple schemas at the same time. Hope you like this video. If you have any queries, then just write down in the comment section. I'll be trying to solve that if it is possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.